Good evening, everyone. I hope you guys had a great day today. I know I did. So, I want to welcome you guys to my channel, Dollars Make Sense. And on this channel, you guys will find nothing more, nothing less than videos that help you make money online. Okay? So, for those of you that have been watching my videos and you guys know a lot about me, then just continue watching. And I hope you guys are enjoying the content I'm putting up. For the people that are new, welcome. My name is Velvet Davis. I've been an online entrepreneur since 2014. I've had 3 9-to-5 jobs, 3 so far. Like 2011, I worked at Little Caesars as a cashier. 2015, I worked at Taco Bell as a cashier for 8 months. And then this year, the beginning of this year in February 2019, I worked at Carl's Jr. as a cashier for 4 months. Okay, so I know a little something about 9 to 5, and did I like it? Yes, some of it. There were perks. You know, I had a guaranteed paycheck. Um, Downside of it, I was working for somebody else. And I was scheduled. I had to be there on a certain time. I couldn't schedule my own hours. If I didn't show up, I didn't get paid. I mean, that's even how it works when you own your own business. If you don't work it, you're not going to make any money. But at least if you own your own business and you get it to where it's on autopilot, you could be sleeping and making money. So it just depends on how you want to look at it. If you're comfortable with a 9 to 5 job, that's fine. But if you're the type of person who wants to make your money, your own money, and you want to work for yourself, excuse me, and not be working for someone else, then yeah, online is where it's at. Okay, so today's video is about Survey Junkie. As you guys can see, I have 1,010 points, and that's equivalent to $10.10. And I've currently cashed out $90 on this site altogether. This is my ninth cash out. Okay, my ninth cash out on Survey Junkie. Now it takes me a week to make $10, and the reason being is because I used to work this site every day, all day long, and I would be using up all the surveys. I'd be doing every single survey, and then the surveys would go quickly. So what I do now is I give it like a couple of days, and then I do surveys on it because I'm really good at surveys now to where if I come back here, let's say I don't come back until Wednesday, I will actually be able to qualify for, if not most of the surveys, if not all of them, just because of, you know, how good I am at surveys and and there's disqualification points as well. So, when you're first starting to make money on Survey Junkie, give it a week or a week and a half at most, because you have to let the surveys load, because they load surveys, they put surveys on here every day. It always loads up with surveys, but you got to give it like at least 24 hours to load up with surveys. Come back and do the survey, because I was doing the site all day long. I would work the site from sun up to sundown, and I was doing all the surveys. So I always came back. I would run out of surveys to do. So what you need to do is do the surveys and for an hour. Do it for an hour and then come back, the next day and do it for an hour, come back the next day, because you don't want to run out of surveys to do. They're always uploading surveys, but you want to make sure you have surveys to do. Okay? Now, Survey Junkie is a really good site to work on. Once this little bar here fills up to the top, you're going to get 1,000 points, and 1,000 points is equivalent to $10. Okay? Um, I know you guys know of another site called Branded Surveys. When I first started doing Survey Junkie, I was working at another site called Branded Surveys. And with Branded Surveys, they had approved points, pending points, and available points. And points to where it would show me how many points I had left to my cash out. So this site, I like this site better because there's no pending points. Whatever I make goes straight into my balance and it adds up. I don't have to sit there and wait 2 weeks for my points to be approved. I get my points right then and there, and you also get disqualification points up to 3 cents. 3 points. That's equivalent to 3 cents, okay? So the disqualification points help you get to your 1,000 points, okay? Now, people keep asking me, how long did it take you to get to $10? It's like, well, the only way I can answer that is it depends on you, your work ethic, okay? It takes me a week because $10. The only way you'd be able to make $10 in one day is if you do all the high-paying surveys. Okay, you'd be able to make $10 in like 2 days or one day if you did the higher paying surveys. If you guys did only the high paying surveys, like this one 90 cents, and you did this one, and you did this one, 90 and 60, that's 155 points right here. These two would give you $1.55 because 6 plus 5, 9 plus 6 is 15. So it'll give you, let's see, yeah, it'll give you like 100 something points there. So let's calculate that real quick so I can make sure I'm correct. Don't want to tell you guys anything wrong. So 90 plus 65. 90 plus 65. See, I was right. 155 points. Okay? So people are doing the high paying surveys and cashing out in 2 days or maybe 3 days. But I don't do the high paying surveys. I do all the surveys because I don't want to miss out on any surveys. Okay? Because they're always sending me emails saying, oh, you qualify for this one, you qualify for that one. So I don't skip surveys. That's what you don't want to skip surveys. Okay, and understand as well, surveys are frustrating when you guys spend 20 minutes on a survey or an hour and you don't get anything. But understand that sometimes you're going to get disqualified because you don't meet some of the different demographics. Okay, you got to be a certain race. You got to make a certain amount of income. You got to work at a certain job. They want certain requirements for you to be able to qualify. Okay, that's how the surveys work. They ask you qualification questions, and if your qualification questions match what they're looking for, then you qualify for the survey. It doesn't mean you're always going to complete it, but just remember you're going to get 3 points for trying. Okay? You're going to get 3 cents for trying. Okay? But yeah, so this is my knife cash out on Survey Junkie. Remember, it's 1,000 points, and 1,000 points is equivalent to $10. If you go up higher to 2,000 points, that's $20. Now, I don't know. If you guys went to $2,000 points, you'd only be able to cash out, I believe, 1,000 points of that. So you'd have to go and do 2 separate transactions, I think, because I think the minimum cash out is $10, which is 1,000 points. So if you were to get 30,000 points, you'd probably have to cash that out one at a time. I don't know if it'd allow you to cash out $30 at once. I'm not sure. But I'm just letting you know. I'm guessing that since it said minimum is 1,000 points, which is $10. So if you guys make up to 30 points, which is $30, 3,000 points, which is equivalent to $30, you probably would have to do 3 separate transactions to get your whole $30 to your PayPal account. Okay, so if you guys want to make $10 in 3 days or however fast you're trying to make it, do the high paying surveys only. You don't have to do these lower paying ones like 40 cents. I do all of them just because that's just me. I don't care how low the point is. I get disqualification points. So that's why it doesn't bother me. Okay? And I know when I'm going to qualify for a survey because I've been doing surveys for a while. The first survey set I did was window research, and that really helped me out a lot. So also, remember, if you're new to the channel, like this video, share it, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video. Also, for your guys' time for watching this video, I have a special gift. I'm going to leave it in the link below. I want you to click on that link. If you are serious, I want you to click on the link. It's my free gift to you. No, it's free. It's no charge. You don't pay for nothing. Go there, fill out the form, and enjoy your free gift. It's if you're serious, okay? If you're serious, there's going to be a link in the description leading to your free gift. If you're serious, fill out the form and enjoy your free gift, okay? I'm going to leave the link in the description below. And remember, it depends on your guys' work ethic, how much work you're willing to put into these surveys. They are frustrating, but you have to be patient and really work them because this is my knife cash out, you guys. That's $90 altogether I've made on this site. And you guys have been watching my videos. You know how many times I've cashed out so far. $90 made on Survey Junkie. Okay? $90. So the next time I cash out, this will be my $100 I made on the site for my next cash out. Okay? So thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. Don't forget to check out your free gift. I will leave it in the link below. Take care, you guys.